Hello and welcome to another episode by CDBTC. Today is February 9th, 2020, and today is a very exciting day because Bitcoin crossed $10,000 for the first time in 2020. Yesterday, it was a very exciting time. It was a very exciting moment because we had been waiting that for hours during Saturday, and it was something that we expected since midweek. I have a Twitter account that I opened, and I posted on February 7th, I posted the target that if we broke out of this ascending triangle, Bitcoin would be reaching $10,100. I posted that on February 7th. And then yesterday, 23 hours ago, I posted this. Bitcoin is about to pop. I also posted this. Crowds gathering in expectation, waiting to celebrate Bitcoin crossing $10,000 again. And I made that meme. And yes, what happened? Just a few hours later, boom. Bitcoin finally crossed this line of resistance at exactly $9,997, and we went up all the way to 10,154, which basically was a line to my February 7th target. Right on the mark, right on the money. Okay, and what's been going on with Bitcoin? Well, a lot of people thought that it was going to correct heavily after reaching that spot. What did I post just a few hours ago? Exactly 1 hour ago, and you can see what this was doing. We were following a descending wedge pattern, and I said that Bitcoin had basically broken the line of resistance and tested it back as support. And I said, next leg up coming on Bitcoin, retesting falling wedge. That was 1 hour ago. And where is Bitcoin now? It broke out and it went up all the way past $10,155, and now it's retesting that as support. So we're gonna have to take it day by day, but Bitcoin has gained very strong momentum for now. I wouldn't be shorting at this time. If we go to the monthly, when we go to the monthly, we can see that momentum is really strong. And as I said, I was watching the MACD. It's signaled going positive. And if we look at the stock RSI, the stock RSI crossed, signaling a change in momentum. For 6 months, almost 6 months, we were going down. And this has finally changed. And this doesn't move so easily. This is the monthly. So this is a very strong signal that the trend might be changing. Where is the next important resistance that I'm going to be watching? It's right up here at around 11,280 something dollars. But I think that Bitcoin has a lot of momentum for now, and it's not gonna stop that easily. If you can see, when we started the bull market back in March, the RSI started to creep up. And basically, we went into highly oversold territory. And Bitcoin, the price just kept going up. Right now, it's not even at that level. And look at what it did at that time. A huge push up. And even though it had a correction here, we had one more leg up. So right now, we're at 62. I think that this can still push up a little bit more. It's gonna probably make 1 or 2 more pushes up. and we're going to be reaching $11,300 level. And that's where we're going to have to see if we can break past it, or we're going to come down and retest this level again. So that level would be $7,900, but I wouldn't be counting on that. We would have to see what happens with Bitcoin when it hits this level. If we do a fib retracement analysis from the move from down here all the way up there, Bitcoin could basically retrace to 9,800. So probably the bulls are going to defend the $10,000 level. It's very, very likely that we're not going to see Bitcoin below $10,000 again. The probabilities are decreasing every day. So guys, if you want to get into crypto, if you want to buy Bitcoin, I don't know what you're waiting for. You had, let's see how many months. You had 4 months where Bitcoin was priced below $4,000. An additional month where Bitcoin was priced below $5,600. Those opportunities are gone. They are gone. The next best level that we've had in the past 6 months was here, where you can buy between $6,500 and $7,500. And I do believe that this opportunity has also passed. It's also passed. It's passed you by if you haven't bought Bitcoin. So don't let the opportunity pass you by buying Bitcoin between 11,500, and if you're lucky and we correct down to 9,700, maybe, I don't know, maybe you're gonna get lucky, but I wouldn't be counting on it that much, okay? But guys, do not miss your opportunity to buy Bitcoin before it breaks the next line of resistance, of heavy resistance, which is all the way up here. And look, there's a lot of confluence in this area. If you do it by RSI, if you do it by resistance, historical resistance, if you do it from calculating the distance of these falling wedge, the breakout point, it all points back to this price level, $11,500. It's a range between $11,100 and $12,300. That's what's gonna decide if Bitcoin is going to boom, be hammered down, but not all the way down here, at most here or here, or are we gonna rocket past this resistance, test new all-time highs. And look, this is what I tweeted. Screenshot this. 2-for-1 predictions. Bitcoin at $12,900 by May 8th, 2020. So that puts us at February, March, April, May. 4 months before Bitcoin reaches $12,900. And we're going to be testing all-time high by December 13th or before. Take a screenshot. Okay? So very, very bullish on Bitcoin. And I'm going to post a video with a little bit more fundamentals and why I believe that the next wave of investors, smart money, is coming into crypto. They're going to be building the base that's gonna support growth for the next leg up, which is going to finally pop off when the dumb money gets in. And you don't want to be part of the dumb money. You want to be ahead of the smart money or be with the smart money, but you don't want to be the dumb money that's gonna come at the end and buy the next all-time high. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and if you want to receive more timely updates on what I'm thinking about the market, what Bitcoin is going to do, please follow me on Twitter at CDBTC1. This is what my account looks like, at CDBTC1. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Everybody have a good night.